Welcome to solverfy.
An airplane flies 160 kilometers from an airport in a direction of 190 degrees. How far west of the airport is the airplane then, and how far south? So let's think of this as a right triangle here. I will blow that up, where this is going to be, well, I guess if we're going to match it, whoops, with the picture, I guess it would look like this. So I'm going to blow that triangle up. It is a right triangle where the hypotenuse is the 160 kilometers. And if they went 190, then there's 180 degrees halfway around from north to south. And so that's going to be another 10, which means the angle inside to get 3/4 of the way around would be 80 degrees. And it would be 10 inside down here. The amount west would be what I'm going to call x, and then the amount south would be what I'm going to call y. If we refer to our right triangle trig ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent, you might call it SOHCAHTOA, then I'll go from the 80-degree angle. If we want to find x, the west amount would be the adjacent compared to the hypotenuse. That's cosine. So we would say the cosine of 80 degrees is equal to x over 160. And y is opposite 80 degrees, and the hypotenuse, that's sine. Sine of 80 degrees would be equal to what I called y over 160. Multiply 160 to both sides of the equation, and then go to a calculator. You want to be in degree mode, and then we can find 160 cosine 80. Oops. And 160 sine 80. To the nearest kilometer, the west amount would be about 28, and not degrees, 28 kilometers. And the south amount would be the y value, or about 156. In navigation, directions are given in degrees measured clockwise from north. Okay. That was just information on the 190. So there are the two answers to the questions. Hope that helps. Good luck.